tonight. As the system departs, high pressure returns for the weekend with dry conditions. Here are until 7 p.m. for Dearborn, Franklin, Ohio, Ripley, Switzerland, Boone, Campbell, Kenton, Butler, Clark, Claremont, Clinton, Greene, Hamilton, Montgomery, and Warren counties. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. At 3:05 p.m., radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of half to 1 inch are possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Cincinnati, Dayton, Hamilton, Springfield, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Fairfield, Covington, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Mason, Florence, Xenia, Independence, Trotwood, Oxford, Miamisburg, Lebanon, and Norwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here are the 3 p.m. weather conditions.